What is up, guys? It's your boy Miguel, and today we have, am I recording on this? We have the Mavic Mini. I just bought it from Best Buy a little while ago. I've been wanting a drone for a really long time, so I just wanted to go ahead and get an unboxing video done for you guys, and then we're gonna go ahead and make another video just to do like a mini review slash first impressions type deal. So let's go ahead and get started. I got my trusty dusty knife right here. Oh shoot. This is a Winchester knife from my boy Dre. Props to Tanner right here on the camera. Oh, my cameraman right here. Boom. You know. All right, so let's just go ahead and start opening it up. So I'm gonna cut open the sides right here, just to be careful. You can tell I got the Fly More combo pack. Really satisfying sound right there. So you got all this stuff right here. So with the Fly More combo pack, right, you got your Mavic Mini, of course. You get your controller. Top of that, you get a carrying case. You get 3 batteries. Didn't even realize that. You get 3 batteries. You also get some propeller guards. First things first, we have the DJI Mavic case. Let's put that down right there. All right, so let's look at the case. Oh man, this is crazy, dude. Holy crap. Dude, how light is that?
Light as hell, boy.
Dude, this is like, so this is the iPhone 8 side by side, the Mavic Mini. Same exact size right there.
Fit in your pocket.
Fits in your pocket. You could literally just walk around and we're like, yeah, you know, it's came here to filmmaking. Oh yeah, dude, where's your camera? Oh, you know, it's in my pocket. Like, this feels so light. This is crazy.
It kind of feels cheap.
It's plastic. You don't want a drone to be made out of metal unless you have like a $10, $15, $20,000 drone for filmmaking. Those things, you're gonna be flying them at like 100 miles per hour, like chasing cars and everything like that. This has like the self-intelligent, like flying and everything like that, obstacle avoidance and everything. So let's go ahead and open up the rest of this stuff right here. So pretty sure the controller, oh man, this looks sick. We got our antennas right there. Got our antennas right here. Unfold antennas and mobile device clamp. Then attach control sticks cable. Oh snap. Okay, so this is also my first drone ever. I think it was a good size, great price. It films in 2.75K. And here we go. Oh, damn. You gotta push them in. You got to, I think you twist these in. All right, so you take that out right there. It's really dope. All right, so let's see what else is in here. We also got, I think this is just a random box. Actually, let's see. Oh, so these are our extra propellers for the drone. I guess it came with them. Just a heads up, you guys, just remember that this is the Fly More combo package, which is only an extra $100, but to be honest, you're gonna want extra batteries. This type of drone right here, drones really don't last that long. They last around like 15 to 20 minutes. So you wanna make sure that you at least have 1 spare battery. This combo pack comes with 3. So I believe this is the battery charger right here. Let's open that up real quick. Yep, we got a triple battery charger. It uses a micro USB in the front, and then you got another USB in here. I guess if you wanted to, you could use this to charge your phone or something. That's pretty sick. Put that down right there. And then here is charging cables. So we got, holy crap, that's a lot. So we got some extra joysticks. So a charging cable right here. This is a micro Android cable. This right here, I believe, is for your phone clamp. So look inside real quick. You got the iPhone, Android, USB-C. And this right here is to actually charge the case. So that's just battery holding case right there. And then this is like a tool, little screwdriver set to open up your drone. So let's dig deeper in the box. We'll slide that stuff to the side right here. Let's get inside. What is this? Man, all right, so this is, okay, so this is a little installation guide right here. This is trash, this is boom. So here we go. It's a little hefty right here. These are the batteries we got. Oh wow, it's nice. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start putting these in my case so I can just always charge every battery together at one time. So instead of filming for 10, 15 minutes, I could actually film for a whole hour with these, you know, theoretically speaking. Just I'll slide them in like that. And then whenever you wanna
Anyone close
take them out, you just push it forward, I guess. I don't know. To make sure we charge them first. So I'll just put all 3 of them in there. It should take about an hour to charge them, I think, on top. So now let's go over to the last thing. Well, we'll make sure this is the last thing. We got, of course, our power brick. Boom. Our official DJI power brick. This looks really nice. This is super fancy. Looks like it's made by Apple, which is funny because they sell them in the Apple store anyway. So right here, let's check one more time. We got propeller guards. Don't really need all this plastic everywhere. Ooh. Oh man, it smells like a new pair of sneakers. Speaking of sneakers, check out my Air Max Day video. Drop the link down here. You can click the little bubble. You got 2 sets. Of course, you got 4 sets of propellers on each side. Forward, back, left, right. I'll plop them on there. Besides that, that's our unboxing video. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Big shout out to Tanner behind the camera. Big shout out to Tyler for letting me use his tripod. You know, I got some other things I still gotta buy. But I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces.